Hello students, this video lecture is for class 4th, subject social science, lesson 3rd and part 2nd. In the last video, we have seen the characteristics of the northern plains. Now, let's continue. The Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Satluj are the chief rivers flowing through the plains. These rivers divide the northern plains into three parts or basins. The area drained by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. So, as it is written, basin is that area which is drained by the river or its tributaries. So, for example, if Ganga is flowing from here, so this area is known as the Ganga basin. So now let's start with first the Satluj basin. The Indus River rises in a lake in Tibet beyond the Himalayas. It flows westward through Kashmir and hence into Pakistan. And I think here is a correction. It is westward through Kashmir and then into Pakistan. Cut this C and E. This is a printing mistake. Through Kashmir and then into Pakistan. It has 5 big tributaries: the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas and the Satluj. The Satluj is the longest tributary of the Indus flowing through India. All these rivers join the Indus River in Pakistan, which discharges into the Arabian Sea. The Satluj basin is the western part of the northern plains. It includes the state of Punjab and Haryana. The Satluj basin does not get much rainfall. The Bhakra Nangal Dam across the Satluj River provides water for irrigation. It also produces electricity. So first let's understand what the tributary is. Let's assume this is a Indus River. And it is flowing from here to in this direction. And at this point, water of the Indus River gets divided into two directions. One direction in this and one in the main direction. And some other place, one more water gets divided in this direction. So this is the main river, which is Indus. But these are the tributaries. These are also the rivers, but they are called as tributaries of the river, main river. This is the main river and these are the tributaries. So Indus River has total 5 tributaries, which are Jhelum, Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, the Satluj. And the Satluj is the longest tributary, which means it covers the maximum distance. and all these 5 tributaries later join in the, let me explain here. Indus River flows from here and its tributaries are also flowing from here, and in the Pakistan all these 5 tributaries joins again to the main river. These rivers again join to this main river. These small tributaries again join to the main river in Pakistan, and later their water is discharged in the Arabian Sea. And in the Satluj River there is a dam, the Bhakra Nangal Dam, which provides water for irrigation and it also produces electricity. So this is enough for today's video. In the next video we will be continuing. Thank you.